Find or read reviews that people are talking about JXIAA PSI 3.0 GPM, battery with multi-level adjustment. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features: effortless cleaning, refined design. Engineered for smooth, efficient cleaning across vehicles, outdoor spaces, and everyday surfaces. The brushless motor delivers steady output with less wear, making routine cleaning feel easier and more controlled. Precision control for every surface. Fine-tuned output adapts to delicate finishes and tougher messes. The 6-in-1 nozzle switches modes in seconds, while the foam cannon creates a rich, even wash for a cleaner, more polished finish. Clean anywhere, without limits. Flexible water sourcing lets you clean on your terms. Connect to a faucet or draw from a bucket or natural source with the built-in filter, ideal for driveways, patios, boats, and outdoor areas. Reliable power, built for long-term use. Powered by a brushless motor designed for durability and consistent performance. The high-capacity battery supports full cleaning sessions, while built-in protection helps manage heat and charging for stable, dependable use. Portable kit, premium protection. Compact, travel-ready design with a durable EVA carrying case for secure storage and transport. Fits easily in a car or RV, ideal for home, travel, and outdoor use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.